Have you ever Googled yourself and instantly you wished you shouldn't have done it? Maybe it's some old post, a false story against you, or something years ago that have happened to come back to haunt you. The internet, as they say, never forgets. But what if I told you sometimes the law can help you do so? Today, we are talking about the right to be forgotten and whether Indian courts can help you hit that delete button, something that was holding you back online. Let's be honest here. One outdated article, one wrong accusation, or even one bad photo can cost you more than just an embarrassment. It can affect your career, your relationship, even your peace of mind. The good news is, courts in India started to listen. In fact, the digital world has a long memory. In Delhi, a man was cleared of a criminal charge, but his name was still popping up on Google searches. Even though the case was over, the internet kept telling the wrong story. In ABC versus State and another, the Delhi High Court stepped in saying, enough is enough. His name was masked, search result cleaned up, and the court linked it to Article 21, your right to live with dignity. Think of your personal data as like a shadow. It should follow you, not haunt you. The Supreme Court in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India, they recognized privacy as a fundamental right and hinted that we should have some control on our online identity. The right to be forgotten basically means if something about you is no longer relevant, serves no public purpose, or is just damaging, you can ask for it to be removed or hidden. But it's not like some magic eraser, but it's not for everyone, but it is a start. Courts have been slowly shaping this right. In X versus India Today group, one businessman's old allegation kept making headlines even years after his acquittal. The court ordered the stories to be taken down. In Karnataka's Sri Vasundhan's case, a woman's name was removed from the judgment. Why? To protect her identity. And in iQanun software versus Karthik Theodore, the Supreme Court reminded us that court records are public, but sometimes privacy wins. Here's the thing, people change, mistakes, false accusations, or just bad luck. They don't have to label you for the rest of your life. A woman I know was acquitted from a fraud case, but every job interview she attended ended when they googled her name. She was free on paper but not online. You might be thinking, okay, how do I do this? Here's a simple plan. Check your case. Is the information about you outdated, false, or irrelevant? Next, removal request. Start with search engines like Google under the DPDP Act of 2023. Next, go to court. File a petition in the High Court or Supreme Court under Article 226 or 32. Use case laws. Mention Puttaswamy's case, ABC versus State and others as examples. Ask for anonymization. Replace your name in public records with your initials. Next, get expert help. A digital law specialist can speed things up. It's not an instant, however, it is possible. Should guide you, but it shouldn't chain you. The internet may have a long memory, but with the right steps, you can take back control of your story. If this video has helped you see your rights in a different perspective, share it with someone who needs to start fresh. Also, tell me in the comments, should everyone have the right to be forgotten or the internet should remember everything? Please hit subscribe because here we talk about the law in a way that helps you live better, not just to know better. Take care. Bye.